Yes, students, today we are conducting the Stefan Boltzmann apparatus. You can see the Stefan Boltzmann apparatus. The aim of the experiment to determine the Stefan Boltzmann constant. So this is the multi-point indicator. So here you can observe the temperatures T1 to T7. You can rotate the knob and you can observe the temperatures. Total 7 thermocouples are connected. So thermostats are given. This is the thermostat. So next, this is the upper tank. So here it is upper tank and lower tank. Before doing the experiment, first you should fill the water in the upper tank. So this valve should be closed positions before that. First you have to fill the water in the upper tank. Next, switch on the immersion heater and heat it up to its boiling point. Up to its boiling point. In this tank, there will be a immersion heater is provided here. You can see the test disc. So this is the copper test disc, diameter 20 mm. Diameter 20 mm. Then thickness 1.8 mm. Thickness, you can see. If the test disc is placed in the base plate of the lower tank, remove it before allowing the boiling water into the lower tank. So here it is a drain out valve is given. This is the drain out valve. It should be closed position. Then this valve should be closed. Both the valves should be closed position before doing the experiment. The apparatus consists of a flanged copper hemisphere fixed on a plate, non-conducting plate. The outer surface of hemisphere is provided with the water jacket. And is heated to the required temperature. The hemispherical shape is chosen to simplify the mathematics of the view factor calculations. 5 thermocouples are attached to the inner surface of the hemisphere. A test disc is mounted on the base plate at the center of the hemisphere. The test disc consists of a copper plate with the backing of the insulating material backlight and has a thermocouple to measure the transient temperature. After reaching the boiling point, switch off the heater and open the valve. Both the valves should be open. Allow the water into the lower tank. Wait until the steady state is reached by observing the temperatures T1 to T5. T1 to T5, that is temperature of the hemispherical bowl. Then T7, that is ambient temperatures. So after taking these readings T1 to T7, next insert the test disc into the hole. Insert the test disc. Then start the timer. And then note down the T6 readings in every 30 seconds. Note down the temperature of T6 at every 30 seconds by using stopwatches. You can see the manual. Draw the graph of temperature versus time and calculations. Slope of the graph you can see here. Temperature versus time. Then average temperatures we have to calculate. Specification you can see here. Hemispherical enclosure diameter 200 mm given. It should be in meter. Water jacket diameter, then water jacket height, test disc, diameter of the test disc, mass of the test disc is given. Tabular column you can see. Temperature readings we should write here T1 to T5 readings first. Next T7, that is ambient temperatures. After taking these readings T1 to T7, next insert the test disc, that is T6, time in second for which T6 is noted. First initial readings note down before inserting the test disc. Next insert the test disc, start the timer simultaneously, take the readings T6 in every 30 seconds till the 300 second. Calculations part you can see here. If you like the video, please subscribe, then share it to your friends, family. Thank you so much.